from the building in Miami.
We're going to interview all the people here because everybody's fucking crazy. We have a situation here. We're going to interview everybody. Please give me a camera.
Come with me.
Okay.
Come with me. Come with me.
Yeah, come with me.
Venga.
We'll make a report. Find somebody.
Sir,
Please.
what happened to you?
What happened here?
Why are you here? I think that guy is too much weed or something like that.
Yes,
we're gonna talk to some women.
Okay. What happened here?
Girls, where's Lauren here?
We are dying.
You are dying.
Running at
The hurricane is coming. Please,
She told
this camera. Please come.
Thank you very much. Venga. Channel 5.
The hurricane is coming. What do you think about it?
What's going on?
Could you please move outside faster?
We're in quarantine. People, everybody move.
All the girls waiting.
High Five Brothers in Live. Put the camera. Put the video. High Five Brothers in Live. We're going to record this video. Of course.
Damn motherfucker.
Okay, give me the camera.
Wait, ask Tawana.
Taiwana.
Could you please, a statement please, a statement.
Stay still. What the fuck is this?
Some fucked up motherfucker did some fucked up. Oh.
What the fuck?
We're gonna die!
No, I
Go out this way,
want to
please.
smoke. Taiwana, please.
Everybody this way, please.
No.
To your left.
Oh, please.
Tawana, I'm with you.
We have a situation here. Everybody is in quarantine.
Oh no!
We're going to die. What the fuck? Where the people is going? I don't know. What do you think about this? Please, it's an interview for the news reporter. Please say something.
The hurricane is coming.
Hurricane is coming. What do you think about it?
Did you talk to your parents?
Do you think we're all going to die? We're all going to die. What do you think?
Yes, we are going to die.
Of course. Fucking situation here. Are we going to die, sir? No, we're not going to die, please. Okay, street. Everybody on the street! Everybody make a noise!
Please take this. This fucking ghost ship. What the ghost house? Like 20 people.
This is beach party.
This is Miami.
The party. Let's go.
Evandro, what the fuck is going on here? I don't know. This is 300 people. No way.
There's some ghosts inside. That's what they tell us. Oh no!
Okay,
we're gonna die.
Let's interview people. Come on. You have to interview. That guy. Please, come on for the news. For the news. Come on. What's happening here? For the news. What do you think of the hurricane?
Do it to the others, okay? Okay.
Another people, come on. Her. What do you think about the hurricane? Please say something to the news. This is going for the video. Oh, you're really shy. Tana, what's happening? Tana, come here.
No.
You're the
Brazilian guy.
My boyfriend, my girlfriend.
Boyfriend?
No, she's transsexual. Oh my
No,
god.
she's transsexual. Okay, find another one, please. Please, Dutch one.
Okay,
Dutch one. Come here. What's happening here? We have a situation here.
Okay,
This is crazy.
this is my microphone. Now we're gonna interview someone.
Find someone.
All right.
We're going to interview someone.
We had the Storm in Miami. You have school. Follow me.
I will follow you, please.
Some people.
Go.
Very
Find
afraid.
someone to interview.
Girls here.
Girls, can you please talk to the camera? We have a situation here. Please come here. We have a situation here.
I don't think.
No.
Come, please. Give me the microphone, please. Give me the microphone.
Take the fucking mic.
We have a situation here. We're going to find some people and interview them because we had a fucking situation. Let's go.
I'll take it. We're gonna sell that movie. Whoopa.
No, they're scared. We have to find people that have some senses. They're fucking scared.
Behind you, the Japanese tobacco party people.
Okay. What do you think about the hurricane, please?
Yeah, I want you to take my camera. I forgot.
This is going on the news. Do you think you're in really danger?
Yeah, I'm so scared. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Are you scared?